Filing a response after being served divorce papers. Getting divorce papers can come as a huge shock. But it's important to respond promptly and thoughtfully. You usually have around 30 days after being served to file your response with the court. Your spouse's petition for divorce will list their requests on issues like property, divorce, alimony, child custody, and support. Carefully review that they were asking for. Use the code spouse reform to indicate whether you agree or disagree with each demand. Explain why you disagree with any unfair propositions. For example, if your spouse requests full custody of your children, you can contest this. Check disagree on the form and describe why joint or shared custody is better for the kids. Your counter proposals and supporting arguments will be submitted to the court. If you fail to respond in time, your spouse can get a default judgment granting everything they requested. So, it's critical to file on time to dispute unreasonable demands, but first, take a few days to process the situation. And consult attorneys about your options. While you can't prevent the divorce itself, contesting the terms could benefit you. An experienced divorce lawyer can help craft a response and negotiate favorable settlements on key issues. Getting served with divorce papers is very difficult emotionally, but with proper legal guidance, you can respond in a way that protects your rights and sets the stage for the best possible outcome. If you want to learn more about this topic in details, then visit our website www.lawnano.com. Link is given in the description below. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about divorce and family law in India.